Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So a couple days ago, I solved the rotate image question on LeetCode. It was fun and relatively straightforward. So for this reason, I decided to try doing it using an actual image and not just some random matrix. So in about 10 seconds, we'll be rotating an image 90 degrees. But before we start, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Since we are working with an actual image, the first step here would be to import OpenCV. Now we can define a function called rotate image, and it will take an image path as a string. Now we can read the image doing cv2.imread and passing it the image path. Then we can check if the image actually exists, meaning if the path is valid. If it's not valid, we can report back to the user. After this, we can, or we should rather, convert the image to grayscale. We're doing this because images have something called channels, and if we use a colored images have 3 channels. We'd have to rotate each channel. RGB images have 3 channels, but grayscale images have a single channel. That way we only have to rotate one image. After converting the color, we can resize the image so it's like a squared image. That way the following steps will become easier. Okay, so to actually rotate an image LeetCode style, we have 2 things to do. The first thing would be to transpose the images, meaning the rows of the image matrix will become the columns and the columns will become the rows. After doing that, we would then reverse each row. Then we would have an image that is rotated 90 degrees. Okay, so after transposing our image and reversing the rows in place, we can display the image doing cv2.imshow. Then we can call the function with a path string, a string containing an image, or a string that points to the path of an image. And then we run the code, and boom, we have our rotated grayscale image. We rotated the image 90 degrees, LeetCode style. Very simple, very efficient. And remember how I said if you didn't convert the image to grayscale, you would have to do this for every channel. Well, here's an image that I didn't convert to grayscale. If you try to rotate it, you would only rotate the first channel, making your image look distorted like this. Yeah, so I guess LeetCode isn't really fantasy. It's rooted in some form of reality. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave the video a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in another video.